Microfiber string mops with a built-in scrubby section are the most effective choice for removing scuff marks from commercial office floors. Use a microfiber string mop that combines absorbent strands with an integrated abrasive scrubby strip and keep the mop head clean and damp but not soaked. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the area to remove grit that can grind the finish. For fresh scuffs, apply the scrubby portion directly to the mark and press firmly while moving the mop in a short back and forth motion until the mark lifts. If marks are older or stubborn, mist a small amount of warm water on the scuff first to soften residues and then use the scrubby. Avoid puddling water because standing moisture can damage some commercial floor finishes. Rinse the mop head frequently in clean water and wring thoroughly so you are using a mildly damp scrubber instead of dragging dirt around. Rotate mop heads and replace them when the scrubby loses texture, and keep a labeled bucket system so you do not cross-contaminate cleaning solutions between zones. Common mistakes begin with using only the string mop portion on tough scuffs, which wastes effort and rarely removes the mark, so switch immediately to the scrubby section and re-wet the spot if needed. Another frequent issue is over-wetting the floor, which can soften finishes and leave streaks, so wring the mop well and use short strokes with light pressure. A third problem is using a worn or dirty mop head that smears rather than lifts scuffs, so launder microfiber heads after heavy use and replace them when the scrubby nap is flattened. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and making contacts straightforward for both sides. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, product experiences, and step-by-step approaches for tasks like scuff removal so we can all learn from real-world results.